Hey everybody, this is Mr. Johnston here, and I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to record your voice over your Google Slides presentation. I'm sure this would also work with Keynote or anything like that, but I'm sure some of you are using Google Slides, so we're going to give that a shot. And with that said, first thing you're going to do, on the top right of your iPad here, you'll see your battery icon and your Wi-Fi. Swipe down. When you do, you'll get a menu that looks something like this, and there's a record button at the bottom. For you, it will be white. You want to tap and hold on the white record button. You have to hold on it, and when you do, you'll see an icon pop up for the microphone. And you want to go ahead and make sure your microphone is on. So if it's not red, tap it so that it says microphone on, and it should be red. Once you have that, now when you start recording, your voice will be captured with that as well, which is critical, obviously. So once you're here and you know your microphone's on, you're going to go ahead and get your Google Slides presentation ready. You want to make sure your first slide is selected here on the left. So for example, you don't want to have slides 2 or 3 or 4 selected. You want to make sure it's the first slide. And then you want to go ahead and get ready to press record. So you're going to swipe down on the top right again, and you're going to tap that record button. It'll give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown. When it does, of course, you want to go ahead and hit present, and that way your presentation's ready to go and you can begin narrating right away. In order to advance slides, you just tap on the screen. So you can go ahead and tap with your right thumb as an example, and your next slide comes up. And as you can see here, I have a set of step-by-step instructions that basically lists out exactly what you need to do, what I've basically said here today to help you get this done right. So once you have your presentation recorded, you're going to go ahead, of course, and you're going to swipe down, and you're going to stop recording by pressing that record button again, and then you'll see it says that it saved the video to Google Photos. Now, I do want to warn you guys, if you don't have much free space on your iPad, then you're going to have a problem. You have to have free space on your iPad. Something like, I would make sure I have at least 1 gigabyte or 2 minimum, maybe more. If you don't, it'll give you an error and say you can't save the video. So you might want to make sure that you have enough free space on your iPad before you do this, because otherwise you'll waste your time and lose your video. So that's the main thing. Go ahead and give this a shot, guys. And as you know, you can hit me up via email or Google Hangouts for questions. Thanks a lot.